Arthur Moore was born in Darwin on 28th of December 1921, when the Second World War began on the 1st of September 1939. Arthur attempted to join the Australian Armed Forces, but was rejected on the ground that he was not substantially of the European origin or descent, which was in the Defence Act 1903 and 1949, but it kept applying and finally got accepted. It is a dark period in the Australian history, reflecting the discriminatory attitude prevalent at the time, and thankfully this clause was eventually removed, paving the way for the more inclusive Defence Force. Arthur was enlisted in the Australian Army with the service number DS672 on the 3rd of January 1942. He was a gunner with the 2nd/14th Field Regiment Artillery Lake Division, 2nd Australian Imperial Force, then transferred to Army Headquarters, 2nd to the Army Postal Unit, promoted to Staff Sergeant, and transferred to Army AF as the Flight Sergeant with the service number 442958 on the 10th of April 1944. Arthur was one of the 5 brothers and 1 sister who joined the Army, Air Force, and Medical Corps. In recognition to the Moore family service, his late mother, Miss Bessie Moore, was presented with the badge featuring 5 stars, each star representing one of her sons who served in the armed forces. This badge was the powerful symbol of their contribution, and despite the challenges they faced. Arthur passed away on the 9th of April 2000 at the age of 78. The Moore family story is a testament to the courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment to Australia.
And the winners are Armitage Singh and Nancy Pader. Congratulations, Armitage and Nancy. You've each demonstrated dedication and commitment to the school throughout your time at Rock Point. We wish you well for your life beyond school and hope to hear of your success in the future.